Welcome to this video on finding equivalent fraction from any fraction. Now, equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same value, even though they look different. In other words, they have different numerators and denominators, but express the same proportion or amount of a whole. We have an example of 2/4 equals to 1/2 and 3/9 is equivalent to 1/3. Now, to find the equivalent fraction of 4/5, we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by the same natural number. In this case, we'll be using 2. And this will give us 8/10. In this case, we have 4/6 is equivalent to 2/3 by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2. For the equivalent fraction of 6/9, we'll find out that our multiplier is 3. For equivalent fraction of 8/12, our multiplier is 4. And for the next one, our multiplier here is 5 to give us equivalent fraction of 10/15. Now there's another fun way of actually looking at equivalent fractions using a multiplication grid. So we have our 2 and 3 as our factors above, and to find the equivalent fractions, we'll only need to go down the multiplication grid. So for the first one, we'll find out the equivalent fraction is 4/6 with a multiplier of 2. For our next one, with a multiplier of 3, we have an equivalent fraction of 6/9. With our multiplier of 4, we have our equivalent fraction as 8/12. With a multiplier of 5, we find our equivalent fraction is 10/15. And we can go down the multiplication grid and acquire more equivalent fractions. The multiplier of 7, our equivalent fraction is 14/21. Multiplier of 8, our equivalent fraction is 16/24. Multiplier of 9, our equivalent fraction is 18/27. Multiplier of 10, our equivalent fraction is 20/30. Multiplier of 11, our equivalent fraction is 22/33. And finally, in this demonstration, with a multiplier of 12, our equivalent fraction is 24/36. Now, using the multiplication grid, let's find the equivalent fraction of 3/7 using the multiplier of 6. And we find our equivalent fraction is 18/42. Now, here's an example for you to try. You may pause and have a go using the multipliers given above. And now you can check your answers. Well done. Keep on learning. Don't forget to click the like button, press the notification bell, and subscribe for more of our daily videos.